Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Today I want to do a quick first look at a package that I just received from JWalker Watch Company. I am the brand ambassador for JWalker Watch. The way that relationship started was I got this watch from them to review. The JWalker New Deco. I was supposed to review this watch and then send it back once my review was complete. I liked it so much I wound up buying it. And in the end, they asked me to be a brand ambassador, which I graciously accepted because if this was the type of quality that they were putting out, I was looking forward to it. And what they sent me today were 3 of their new digital watches, the Moderne watch. And I'm going to be seeing this watch for the very first time, just as you are. So let's get into it. I will do a more detailed review of these watches. Looks like I have one here, and 2 of them are wrapped up right here. So let me get this unpacked and I'll be right back. Now, I've only seen these watches in pictures. I've not seen them firsthand and I have not handled them. I have 3 different colorways here. I am allowed to keep one of these 3 colorways, whichever I choose. So I'm going to put the paid promotion up in the corner. So let's take a quick look. So first one here, pop the sleeve. You have JW on the box. Oh, and here is the first. This is the green strap. See, what I like about his design is that analog clock, how it's oversized. It's not real small. This is real easy to read, real easy to pick up. So that's the first one. Next up, this is the blue. And I'm going to take all 3 of these off the pillow and just put it on my wrist just to see how it looks. Next. And last but not least is the black, as you can see here. So the new Deco analog watch takes inspiration from a vintage style, an Art Deco type style. This Moderne is also an Art Deco 70s vintage inspired looking watch. There is a protective film on the glass. I'm going to leave it on there because if this is going back, I don't want to start jacking it up on them. But this is a very, very lightweight watch. I thought this watch was light. This watch is even lighter. I don't even think you're going to be able to feel this on the wrist. But let me put it on real quick. And there it is. That's how it looks. Not too bad. Plenty of spaces here. So if you have a larger than a 7.5 inch wrist, this will probably fit a 9 inch wrist. You should have no problems with that. And like I said, this watch is very, very lightweight. On to the next color. When I get into a detailed review of these watches, I'll give you all the specs. As of now, I don't really know what the specs are in this, other than I know that this watch has 4 different time zones. But as far as the dimensions and specific weights, I don't know. This is a really cool looking military green strap. Yeah, in my opinion, this green and rose gold goes very, very well together. Let's play with the light there. I'll have to kill the lights to show the backlit here. Okay, lights off, and there it is with that soft blue backlight. Pretty nice. Lastly is the rose gold with the blue strap. This also looks very nice. You can see here toggling through the different time zones. I did briefly touch on the manual for this watch. They do give you directions. JWalker does give you directions, so definitely check that out or take a look on their website as I did. The blue is also very nice. And here it is on wrist. This watch is very, very comfortable. I'm digging it. And here are the 3. The blue and rose gold, the green and rose gold, and the black and rose gold. Tell me which one is your favorite. I'm really leaning heavily towards this military green strap. Price? How about $49.99 plus another $9.99 for shipping? So $60 gets you this watch. And if you buy 2 or more, shipping is free. So if you pick up a pair, it would be just under $100 with free shipping. I'll leave a link to the website where you can find additional information on this watch, and also while you're there, certainly check out the new Deco. This is a great value watch. It packs a ton of features. You won't be disappointed. Thanks very much for watching. Oh, and make sure you are subscribed to the channel and hit that notification bell. Otherwise, you won't know when I post that detailed review of this watch. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.